Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we'll be making a delicious and easy to make omelette with cheese. This recipe is perfect for a quick breakfast or a light lunch. Let's get started. Ingredients: 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter or oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 cup shredded cheese cheddar or mozzarella. Instructions: 1. First, crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them with a fork or a whisk until the yolks and whites are fully mixed. Season the eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. 2. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Add the butter or oil and let it melt, swirling it around to coat the pan evenly. Allow the butter to cook for a minute or 2 until it turns golden brown. 3. Pour the beaten eggs into the skillet. Tilt the pan to evenly spread them across the surface. Cook the eggs for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the edges start to set, but the center is still slightly runny. 4. While the eggs are cooking, prepare your cheese. If you're going to add any toppings, like pepperoni, mushrooms, spinach, or tomatoes, cut them into small pieces and arrange them on one side of the omelette. 5. When the eggs are ready, gently fold them over the side with the toppings. And cook for another minute or so until the cheese is melted and the eggs are fully cooked. Six. Serve your omelette immediately, garnished with additional fresh herbs or chopped scallions if desired. Enjoy this delicious and easy-to-make meal with your friends and family.